There was a change that was released in 20.7.0 version of Jenesis Classic, and we thought that you might need to know about it. Instead of going to Tools, you can always still Control W to go to your JLinks, and it will take you there. Or now you can go to Utilities, and JLink Setup is right here beside Company Setup. So it's no longer in Tools, it's located in Utilities and JLink's Setup. This was changed so that everything would be put together. It's probably more of a utility than it is a tool. So we hope that you appreciate this change. Should you have any questions about the video you just watched, you can reach us at any of these methods listed here on the screen. Be sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching.